Once again, in last video from the correlation chapter we have discussed how to calculate Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation between density of population and death rate, and as well as we have done another one question that is related to the playing habit and age. In today's video also we will discuss Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. We have selected 3 questions which is repeatedly I am seeing the examinations in PG classes just. So I have written the questions in this questions here. In the first question we are giving n is equal to 13, sigma x is equal to given 117, sigma y is given 260, sigma x square 1313, sigma y square is given, and sigma xy is given. It means the question is direct. The total value already we have given. We have to just put the values in the formula and we will get the result. So our formula for the Karl Pearson coefficient is direct formula we have already discussed, that is n multiply sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by in sigma x square minus sigma x raised to power 2 in first under root, and n multiply sigma y square minus sigma y raised to power 2. That was the formula to calculate correlation. All the value is given, so we are just putting the value in this 13 multiply sigma xy is 2827 minus value of sigma x is equal to 117, value of sigma y is equal to 260 divided by in first under root 13 sigma x square value is given 1313 minus 117 raised to power 2 in second under root n is equal to 13, sigma y square is equal to given 6580 minus 260 raised to power 2. Just we have to calculate this. We will get the result for that. So first one is 13 multiplied 2827. So 36751 minus 117 multiplied by 260, that is 30420 divide by result is 6331. Okay, now 13 multiply 13, that is plus value, 117 multiply 117 is minus value, so 3380 here. 13 multiply 6580 is plus value, 260 square is minus value, so 17940. So 17940 multiply 3380 equal to having under root, that is 7786.98. 7786.98. So the value of R will be 6331 divided by this value, divided by 7786.98. so the value of correlation is equal to 0.813. So very easily we can calculate the value of correlation. It is that have the higher degree positive correlation is over there. So in some kind of the questions they may be given direct value of n value may be given, sigma x sigma y may be given, sigma x square sigma y square may be also given, and sigma x y also be given. So then we have to just put the value in the formula and we will get the result. So doesn't matter is over there. Similarly, some questions, more questions we are going to discuss here. First question we have discussed, the value was 0.813. Second, n is equal to given 10, sigma x given, sigma y given, sigma x square given, sigma y square given, sigma x plus y is given. Okay, so first x bar is equal to 5.5, n is equal to 10. then sigma x is equal to x bar guna n, that is 5.5 guna 10, that is 55. So here we can say sigma x is equal to 55, y bar is given 4, n is given 10. So sigma y is equal to x bar guna, y bar guna n, that is 4 guna 10, that is 40. So sigma y is also calculated 40. Two value we calculated with the second question. N is given 10, sigma x is given 5.5, sigma y is given x bar is given 5.5, y bar is given 4, sigma x square 385, sigma y square 192, sigma x plus y square is given 497. So we have calculated the value of sigma y is 40 and sigma x is 55. Okay. Now here sigma x plus y square is given 947. It means sigma x square plus sigma y square plus sigma xy is equal to 947. Sigma x square 385. Sigma y square already we are given 192 plus 2 sigma xy. 2 sigma xy is equal to 947. So 2 sigma xy is equal to 947 minus 385 minus 192. So we will calculate 947 minus 385 minus 192, that is 370. So 2 sigma xy is equal to 370. So sigma xy value is equal to 370 divided by 2, 185. So the value of sigma xy is equal to 185 here. We can calculate with the help of this. This is 185. I should see the answer. Okay. So here sigma xy we have calculated, that is 185. Here we have given sigma x plus y square is this. So x plus y square value is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay. So I have written sigma x square plus sigma y square plus 2 sigma xy is equal to 947 given. The value of sigma x square is 385, sigma y square is 192 given, plus 2 sigma xy is 947, 385 minus 192 minus. So we have calculated the value of, that is sigma xy, that is 185. Okay. Now we can having the formula and getting the result, no problem at all. This question is also now become the simple way. R is equal to n गुणा सिग्मा एक्स वाई माइनस सिग्मा एक्स गुणा सिग्मा वाई, n गुणा सिग्मा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा एक्स रेज टू पावर 2 इन फर्स्ट अंडर रूट, n गुणा सिग्मा वाई स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा वाई रेज टू पावर 2 इन सेकेंड अंडर रूट. So value of n is 10. Multiply sigma xy, that is 185, minus sigma x value we have calculated, that is 55, and sigma y calculated 40, divided by 10. Multiply sigma x square is given 385 minus sigma x is 55 raised to power 2 in second order root, n value is 10. Sigma y square value is given 192 minus sigma y raised to power 2, that is 40 raised to power 2. So 1850 minus 55 multiply 40, that is 220, divided by 3850 minus 3850 plus value 55 minus value 3025. 1920 minus 1600. So here first under root contains 825, second under root contain 320 sorry, and 1850 1850, the minus 1850, there may be minus value over there, so result may be minus, no problem at all. 1850 minus 2200 minus 350. So 825 multiply 320 equal to under root, that is minus 350 divided by 513.80. 513.80. So the result will be 350 divided by this value, that is minus 0.62, minus 0.68. Okay, so that is minus 0.68. So in this manner, if the question are in this such condition is over there, where the n is given 10, sigma x value is given, sigma y value is given, but just we are to calculate the value of xy. We have calculated sigma x and sigma y and sigma xy and calculated the value is 0.68. So this form may be also, we are having a question of the Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation is over there. One more question I have decided to discuss with you, that is n is equal to given 10. Question number 3 is on your blackboard. N is given 10. Sigma x is given 140, sigma y is given 150, sigma x minus 10 square is equal to 180, sigma y minus 15 square is given 215, sigma x minus 10, sigma y minus 15 is given 60. Okay, so already we have done two questions, so we not want to write here. Okay, here n given, sigma x given, sigma y given. We want sigma x square, sigma y square and sigma xy. Okay, so first one, sigma x minus 10 raised to power 2, that is 180, sigma x square minus 20x plus 100 square is equal to 180. So sigma x square minus 20 sigma x plus 100 sigma 100 is equal to 180. So sigma x square minus 20, sigma x is given for 140, plus sigma value is n is 10, multiply 100, that is 180. So sigma x square is equal to 180 minus 2 plus 2800 minus 1000. So sigma x square value will be 2800 plus 180 minus 1000, that is 1980. 1980. What we have done? We have given sigma x minus 10 raised to power 2 is 180. So x square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square y b square minus 2ab. Now sigma x square minus 20 sigma x minus sigma multiplied by 100 is equal to 180. The value of sigma is n is equal to given 10. So we are using sigma is 10. So sigma x square minus 20 multiplied by sigma x plus value of sigma is 10 multiplied by 100, 180, and we got the result, that is sigma x square is equal to 1980. Now similarly we will calculate the value of sigma y. So for calculating sigma y, we have given sigma y minus 15 raised to power 2 is given 215. Okay, so sigma y square plus 225 minus 30y is equal to 215, that is a minus b raised to power 2, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In this form I have written a square b square minus 2ab. So sigma y square plus 200 sigma guna 225 minus 13 sigma y, that is 215. Sigma y square plus 10 into 225, value of sigma is 10, minus 30, sigma y is given 150, that is 215. So sigma y square is equal to 215. This will go to this 4500 minus 2250. This value plus coming here minus, this value minus coming here plus. So 215 plus value, 5 minus value plus value, minus 2250 is minus value. So 2465. So sigma y square is equal to 2465. So value of sigma y square we have calculated, that is 2465. So putting this sigma y minus 15 raised to power 2, that is 215, we open this a square plus b square minus 2ab and getting the result of sigma y square. So the value of sigma y square we have calculated, that is 2465. Okay. Now we want sigma xy. We want sigma xy. We have given sigma x minus 10, y minus 15, that is given 60. Okay. Multiply both of them. Xy minus 15x minus 10y plus 150, that is 60. So sigma xy minus 15 sigma x minus 10 sigma y plus sigma guna 150, that is 60. So sigma xy minus 15 sigma x raised 140 minus 10 sigma y is equal to 150 plus value of sigma is 10 multiply 150, that is 60. So sigma xy minus 15 multiply 140, 2100 minus 1500 plus 1500, that is 60, minus plus cancel, sigma xy, that is 60 plus 2100. So value of sigma xy is 2160. So value of sigma xy we have calculated, that is 2160. The value of sigma xy we have calculated, the value is, that is 2160. Okay. Now all the value we have calculated, just we have to keep all the value in formula, then we will get the result. So here r is equal to n multiply sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by n multiply sigma x square minus sigma x raised to power 2, second under root n sigma y square minus sigma y raised to power 2. Just we have to keep all these value in formula only now. So value of n is equal to 10. Sigma xy we have calculated, that is 2160. Sigma x is equal to 140 and sigma y is equal to 150. Divided in first under root 10 multiply sigma x square we have calculated 1980 minus sigma x raised to power 2, that is 140 raised to power 2, and is 10. Sigma y square we have calculated 2465 minus 150 raised to power 2. So very easily we can calculate it, 21600. 21600 is plus value, 140 multiply 150 is minus value, that is 2100. So here will be 600. In first under root 19800 minus 19600. In second under root 24650 minus 22500. So we are having 600 plus value. In first there is 200, 24650 minus 22500, that is 2150. So 2150 multiply by 200 equal to under root 65574. So that is 600 divided by 655.74. So we get 0.914. So that will be, the value of this will be 0.915. Okay, so we have calculated 0.915. So in this video, what we have done, the very first, with the help of this we calculated sigma x square, with the help of this we calculated sigma y square, and by multiplying this we calculated the value of xy, that is this, and getting these results we have used the formula for the direct methods of Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, that is n multiplied by sigma xy minus sigma x multiply sigma y divided by in first square root, that is n multiplied by sigma x square minus sigma x raised to power 2, and in second under root n multiplied by sigma y square minus sigma y raised to power 2. Putting all the value, we can calculate the value of Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. So I think these three questions are very important from the examination point of view. You may be learn how to calculate Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation here. So that is all from my side in the Karl Pearson coefficient of the correlation is over there. We will having some, maybe some extra question, or otherwise we will having the rank correlation methods in the next video. I think this video may be very helpful for you to learn how to calculate Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Thank you once again.